A Shadows of the Galaxy booster just landed at Outpost 53. Shipments like this travel quiet. Every pack carries a trace of the underworld, and this one's finally found its way into our hands. Our leader for the pack, Cad Bane, he who needs no introduction. Remnant Science Facility. Collections Starhopper. Clan Wren Rescuer. Deathmark. Rivals Fall. Mercenary Company. Daring Raid. Rich Reward. Look the Other Way. Privateer Sick. Dengar the Demolisher. Lady Proxima. L337. Dr. Pershing, experimenting with life. Our final card for the pack, Reputable Hunter, with a nice hollow print.